Hello and welcome to another update video about Harmony One. I know it's one of the favorite cryptos of a lot of my viewers, and it's also one of my favorite cryptos. And to be honest, I only heard about Harmony One because of you guys, and there were a few people who suggested me to take a look at Harmony One. I did it and I found it really interesting since then, not only from the chart point of view, but also from fundamental point of view, what they are trying to do. And it's a really solid project. And to be honest, since then, it's really done what we call on this channel. So that is quite amazing, you know, in terms of how that played out, from the cup and handle here to this descending channel that we had, the breakout points here. And yesterday as well, you know, I talked about this bullish consolidation that we were having here, that we were holding above a key level of support, which was the 20-cent level, which we did, and that we were consolidating, in my opinion, bullish. You know, we were above all moving averages. These are 3 daily moving averages, the 20, the 50, and the 200-day moving average. We had a great chart. We had a buy signal on the MACD here on the 4-hour chart. We had on the ADX a buy signal. We crossed even the 20 line, and we and 20 is that sort of line where when you cross it, you start to get into a trend. And we also on the RSI, we still had scope to the upside while we were still in the buying, you know, in the bullish range. It was looking good. And then today, or actually just now, because I can't watch every chart every day, but just now I took a look at the chart, and you know, it is actually, you know, I'm too excited because of Bitcoin, so excuse me. No, it broke actually out today, and yeah, we had actually a retest, a beautiful retest of this support line, former resistance, now flipped for support, a beautiful retest. And since then we've been accelerating away from that. Now I think that level is crucial. Now we need to get above that 24 cents, because that is that previous high. After that pump, then we obviously retraced briefly. Now we're on our way up again, and we need to get above that 24-cent line now. But it's looking good. You know, we broke to the upside, beautiful 6% plus, and from here, you know, we can get to really nice levels. And we just need to make sure that we get above this, above all these highs here, and we can go to the, this is only the 1-hour chart, so we better go to the daily chart, because that is just more significant. And you can just see that beautiful cup and handle here that was forming, and now we broke out, consolidated after the breakout, which is extremely healthy, because unlike some other cryptos, we actually consolidated above this breakout line. Some others didn't even make it to the breakout line, so that is really good. So we actually consolidated above it, which I found a really positive and bullish signal. Some others, like for example XRP, didn't manage to get above that breakout line, and again I repeat that a lot of them were just doing the same pattern. Some actually got through this resistance line and some didn't. Obviously Harmony One did break through, and now it's a good time, actually, in my opinion. Maybe, you know, it's only no financial advice or anything. In my opinion, it's a good time to get in. We've just broken a key line of resistance, and you know, some people say it might be too late now because we're just in all-time high territory. And to be honest, that is also what I sometimes say. Don't buy at an all-time high, but in my view, it's still extremely early days with Harmony One. Yesterday, I briefly talked about the tokenomics. You know, that there are 3 times as many coins of Cardano available than, for example, Harmony One, and you could see a price difference here. I mean, yeah, it's a bit of a different use case, but to be honest, not that much. And they've got a different approach to things, but in the end, they also try to yeah, achieve similar things. You know, it's basically an ecosystem as well on which other applications can be built. So it's all looking good. I find it very interesting for the future, and I'm going to get some more Harmony One, and that would not be a short-term trade. That will be for the long term. I'll add this to my hodling portfolio. So I'm extremely bullish on Harmony One. Anyway, I think we can get much higher prices in this bull run. And yeah, I showed you the Fibonacci extension levels yesterday. And again, let me know if you have any Harmony One coins, and if you want me to cover Harmony One going forward. And also let me know if you enjoy these brief updates. I mean, I showed you that before the breakout happened. I now make you aware after the breakout happened. I still think it's not too late. It's actually a good time now, in my opinion, to get in, because we now have a confirmed breakout, even had the retest. So just need to watch that, obviously, but it's looking good. It's looking good in my opinion. So it's coiling up for further moves to the upside. In my opinion, that's never guaranteed. It's only my opinion. The charts are looking good. You know, the indicators are looking good. And even here on the MACD, on the daily, we actually we did form a bearish crossover, but I think that has now been sort of been reversed again. So we are just moving back into the green here on the MACD. So that's looking good as well. So yeah, hopefully you like the update. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and maybe even consider the channel membership if you really enjoy the content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.